Welcome back to the BN Kitchen. I'm Jackie Lewis, clinical nutritionist for BN Multi. Smoothies can be so much more than just a blended drink. Adding the right ingredients can supplement your diet with a range of vitamins and minerals to boost your overall health. Changing your eating habits can change your overall health. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe. You can find many more recipes at bnmulti.com and join the BN Bariatric Facebook group for a wide range of topics related to your weight loss surgery journey.